Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.7%. Today, really, it was good news, was bad news. We had a report about the service sector here in the U.S., which is our biggest, portion of our economy, was up to the highest level it's been in the last 6 months. This is combined with really strong consumer spending, residential investments doing well, and we've got this scenario where people are worried that the Federal Reserve might have to raise rates because things are still doing quite well. However, we have gotten reports about factory growth in that manufacturing sector. That wasn't very good last week. And so we've got China that's kind of soft. We've got things that are kind of offsetting some of these strengths as far as that goes. We do need to get people out to work. In my opinion, that's one of the things that would help service sectors. It's a labor-intensive, business as a whole, and so the more people that take on jobs, probably the less pressure we'd have for wage growth in the service sector. And jobs have been slowing in terms of the number that have been gained, but still quite high. And maybe more importantly, the participation rate jumped quite a bit last month. So the number of people on a percentage basis that are working in the workforce is getting back up to where it was, prior to the pandemic. So that's important also. So we've got, these competing things. We're really on this teeter totter of these things that look kind of scary because it could be recessionary. These other things look kind of scary because it could be inflationary. And we're kind of going back and forth. And so far, actually, we're kind of balancing those out and things are going quite well. Of course, the Federal Reserve chairmen are running around saying that they might need to raise rates. And, it's an effective threat as far as that goes because they have overraised rates in the past many times. So that's something people, are concerned with as far as that goes. But we've also seen a little bit of a pattern here at the beginning of the couple of months here. So, had a big run up at the end of July and the beginning of August was down, had a big run up, right at the end of August. And now we're seeing a down market here at the beginning of September. So it's not a big deal as far as I'm concerned. Give it a couple of weeks, and if we're not, starting to re-challenge the high for the year, then we might be, in for some issues as far as that goes. But this is still, hitting some resistance, trying to get back to the high that we had this year, and then maybe ultimately, if we're going to continue up, get to the all-time high. So we'll see how this plays out. But anyway, that's what happened today. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.